Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and on this channel I do all kinds of things related to photography. It's December, it's time to do a Santa shoot. Okay, so for the second year in a row, my wife and I have arranged a Santa shoot. We have Santa Claus come to the house, we have people sign up, we bring the kids in, they have a little time slot, they get to sit down with Santa, we take these amazing photographs. It really is kind of magical as Santa kind of sneaks in. We get a few photos, it's great. And last year we had a lot of success with it. I'm excited about it again tonight, and it's going to be great. So the way we do it around here is we just kind of transform our living room into this winter wonderland, which my wife does anyway. She decorates the house like crazy. It just looks phenomenal. So she's got the living room all looking fantastic. We have people come on in. They come around. A lot of the kids will have a little bit of a meltdown when they see Santa Claus. So the way we do it is we sit the kid in the chair. They don't know that Santa's here. He's hidden off into a room off to the side. He kind of sneaks in. We get that cute little photograph of the kid, being unaware that Santa's sneaking in. So we're kind of assured that we're going to get at least one great, cute shot. And then Santa will sit down with them and interact, and hopefully they don't melt down and we get a couple of extras right there. Now, we've been advertising it for a while. I've been making a list. I've checked the list twice. And everybody knows their time slots and everybody's coming tonight. So let me run through the setup real quick on the photography end of things. I use a 85 centimeter round octabox, put the grid in it. I love the grid for this kind of thing because it narrows the light down to the chair that Santa and the kids are going to be sitting in. If I took the grid off, the light kind of spills all over the room to a certain extent, and it doesn't have the moody kind of dramatic lighting that seems to work better for this kind of thing. So that's the main light. The light coming through the room that's off to the right side, camera right, I haven't set it up yet, but my intention will probably be some kind of grid on there with some barn doors so that I can direct it to kind of give kind of a rim light on the right side, kind of accent Santa as well as the chair. And then I'm just going to balance it with the room. Now, one of the things that's going to happen, just like last year, is when we start at 5 o'clock, and by the way, we're only going from 5 to 7, so it's just a 2-hour window. But in that 2-hour window, the sun sets. So the 5 o'clock photographs have got some ambient light coming through that back window, where by 7 o'clock it's going to be dark. So that changes dramatically. Of course, we're trying to balance so that the lights on the tree and the lights in the room, the Christmas lights, those are all coming up. If I remember correctly, I kind of bumped the ISO a little bit last year, maybe up to 600, 800-ish, something like that. I'm going to shoot probably in the f8 range. Got to make sure the depth of field is there. I don't want anybody to be out of focus. But that's really kind of it. One main light, one accent light, balance with the light in the room. The light coming from outside, it'll just kind of do its thing and get dimmer as it goes. And that's really kind of it. Yeah, it works pretty well. I'm going to have my 16 to 55 on my Fuji X-T4. That way I can zoom in and out if I need to. I'll be on a tripod and I can move a little bit. And it's really kind of a simple setup as far as the lights and stuff go. I got them in a way that the kids can come in and out without kicking light stands, and it just works really, really well. So if you got any questions about any of that, leave me a comment. But I'm just going to kind of let this play out. I'm going to show you some of the shoots as they were taking place, and I will show you some finished images, and I'll just kind of let this thing play out. Kind of one of the magical nights that we've kind of created here at Studio 12 for the last couple years. It's a lot of fun. Some of the kids are a little, they melt down and it gets a little exhausting, but I enjoy it. It's only a couple of hours. We've got a fantastic Santa. I'm going to link his stuff in the description. If you're anywhere in South Carolina and need a Santa, this is the guy to call. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the photo shoot.